guys, welcome back to my channel. This is part two of the luxury haul from my summer vacation. Like I mentioned in my last video, if you haven't seen it, I'm gonna link it up there. This was the Louis Vuitton unboxing, and I mentioned that video that we went to Florida, and of course we had to do some shopping, even though my family is just not into it. But, you know, we had kind of an excuse. This was one day of rain, and we decided to go from Sarasota to Tampa, Florida, where they had a biggest mall, and, you know, just kind of explore, see what they have in there. We did stop by, obviously, at the Louis Vuitton, but it was earlier in Sarasota, which I did the unboxing there, and I show you a couple of items, and these are from Gucci. So I have a smaller bag, and then I have a bigger bag in here, which is... There we go. It's so hard to hold it. They are quite enormous. So anyway, these are the two items. I'm gonna show you guys what I've got, but also before I do that, I have a small thing from BVLGARI, and I just wanted to show you because I don't own anything from BVLGARI, and this is the very first item, which I was kind of looking at it for a while, and I finally pulled the trigger, and I'm so happy that I purchased this. And I was wearing, these are obviously the sunglasses, I was wearing them throughout our trip to Florida, and it's just now they're staying in my car because I love them so much. So here's the outer packaging of the, sorry for the glare, it's like a rose gold, I would say, packaging. It's very, very beautiful. Obviously it says BVLGARI, and let me just open up for you so I can do kind of a proper review, because obviously I used them already, but this is how they came packaged. So this is the you know, the sunglasses case. They came obviously with a little cleaning cloth, which I think it does says BVLGARI somewhere. There we go. It's right there. So it's the same kind of rosy color. There's some paperwork as well. I didn't even look inside. Yeah, there's some kind of codes and I guess like a little information. So this came in the box as well, and the outer packaging, you know, the sunglasses case is quite bulky. It's quite big, and as you can see, it's very kind of, you know, rectangular. It's big. Okay, so that's why I keep it like in the glove compartment in my car. And let me show you the sunglasses that I've got. Dun, da, da, da. So these are, I think they're like a cat eye shape. Beautiful. Look at the packaging, by the way. Isn't that kind of a mustardy color nice? It comes a little lighter than it is on the viewfinder. But these are, you guys, these are the sunglasses. I'm sorry you can see my ring light. I'm gonna try to hold like this. I really, really wanted these, okay? I find them to be a little bit more unique, and I really love my Louis Vuitton sunglasses. I think the aviator that I have, I always wear them a lot, but I just wanted these with this little details, you know, this little gold going through the lens. I just think it's so beautiful, and they have a little cat eye obviously shape. I'm gonna put them on, but if you look at my Instagram pictures, I had them quite a bit during the trip in Florida. I think they are stunning. They also comes in more like a kind of pinkish burgundy kind of tint. These are more like a bluish grayish, I would say. Oh, these are so beautiful. On the side, I don't know if you guys will be able to tell, but on both sides they have, you know, the BVLGARI is known for the like snakes, right? The handbags has the snake head, so they're like little snake skin on both sides. I'll try to do a close-up so you guys can see it well, but I absolutely love these sunglasses. They are so comfortable. They're super lightweight, and I just feel like they're unique, you know, the little design in the middle. I just feel like they are different, something different than what I normally have. And yeah, I love them. The back, they have a little onyx here on the back. You know, the BVLGARI is obviously a jewelry line, so I feel like they just have to put a little, you know, spin on the, you know, make it more like a jewelry. So there's a little onyx in here, and obviously it says you know, BVLGARI here on the sides. And yeah, I just love these, you guys. I feel like these are so beautiful. I'm so glad that I got them because I really truly enjoy using them throughout this, you know, trip, and I'm sure I'm gonna use them from now on. These are gonna be my favorite sunglasses. All right, so let's talk Gucci. The bigger box is mine. The smaller box is actually my husband's. But he told me go ahead and unbox because he wants to use it. And so let me just show you. Let me start with the smaller box. By the way, I love the new packaging from Gucci. They used to have that white and black, and now they have this green. Looks a little bit kind of vintage. I kind of like it, to be honest with you. I do like this. Let me put this big box in here. All right, so here's the item that my husband picked. It's unisex, you guys. So honestly, I can wear it, I can use it, and I'm sure I will borrow from him. So this is this the magnetic box? I think it is. Yeah, it is. So here is the item that he picked for himself. Here's the box. It's packed in the tissue paper. So let me just undo that little sticker in here. And the dust packs looks like they're still the same. I thought they changed the dust pack, but anyway, here's the dust pack. So let me show you what my husband picked for himself. This is just something that he uses basically every day. She put a knot on it. Hold on, I have to undo the knot. All right, I got it, you guys. I got it. So, dun, da, da, da. This is a belt bag. Basically, my husband picked a belt bag. This is, he has one that he purchased a couple of years ago at the Gucci outlet, and he literally trashed the thing, okay? His was with the untreated leather, and this time we decided to go for the treated canvas. So this one is obviously like, you know, like Louis Vuitton bags. You cannot, you know, they are waterproof and stain proof and everything, and he didn't want anything big because, believe it or not, my husband wears them every single day. So anyway, this is what it looks like. It's relatively small and relatively thin. You know, he has to have his 2 phones in here, and what else? He has a small Louis Vuitton wallet that he always carry with him, and there's a bunch of paperworks. And it's really, he doesn't need much, you know, but he likes to have it on him because, you know, he wears scrubs every single day, and he doesn't like to put his phones and wallets in the pockets because it just looks funny and it's uncomfortable, and he loses them all the time. So he basically put the belt bag under the scrub, you know, or like on top of it, and that's what he usually wears. So that's something that he's gonna wear all the time. But I feel like it's unisex. This long strap, obviously it's adjustable, and he does own a Gucci belt that has this kind of design, so it was nothing new for him. But this particular belt bag also comes with like a typical monogram, and it has like a little lion on it, which I thought it was a slightly more feminine maybe, but they're both, you know, it's fine. I mean, anybody can use it. But I told him, you know what, this is a little bit more discreet. The other one, it just speaks Gucci, you know, it's so loud that, you know, everybody would recognize. And I said, if you want to be a little bit low-key, this would be a better choice in my opinion. So that's obviously what he chose. So yeah, I mean, it's very simple. There's really no, is there a pocket? No, there's no pocket. So this is just, you know, for his little essentials that he carry. I believe, I don't have a receipt on me, but I believe this was under $1,000. It was $950, I believe, or something like this, you know, obviously plus tax. So anyway, this is, oh, by the way, the back of this is completely flat. So if you're looking for something like smaller, you know, something, you know, like not very big, because they had much bigger, you know, like a belt bags there, and he was just looking for something that it's much smaller and, you know, that's something that he can use every day. So yeah, so that's the first thing we've got from Gucci. All right, guys, this is my gift. It comes in this big shopping bag. This is actually something that my husband bought it for me. The handbag that I was featuring in the last video, LV, I bought it myself. But my birthday is coming in September, so he goes like, why don't I just get these? Because I was gonna get them myself, you know. I don't ask, I just buy it myself. But he was like, why don't I just buy this for you? I'm holding it upside down. So this way I don't have to, you know, buy you anything for your birthday, because my husband, he always have a hard time, okay, buying me anything for my birthday. And yeah, I have to be very specific, like to tell him what to buy me. And at the end of the day, I just buy things myself, you know. I don't have to ask anybody. So anyway, this is the beautiful box. So let me just undo this. And again, this is something that I was looking at online, and I could have ordered it a long time ago, but then I was like, again, I don't know what size I need. And I'm talking about the shoes. So here is the inside of the box. Let me just undo this little tissue paper. There we go. So this is the new dust bag. See, that's what I thought. This is the newest style. So I've got a pair of shoes, you guys, from my husband for my birthday. And he was happy in a way that he was like, I don't have to buy her anymore or anything. So you guys, what I've got is the pair of slides. These are so beautiful. Let me just take another one out of the packaging. There we go. So these are the denim slides, like a platform slides. This is how they look like. When I saw these, I was like, that's it. This is what I have to get right away. And you know, originally I was looking about 2 months ago or so online. They came up with the, you know, with this exactly same slide, but it was obviously the Gucci kind of a brownish beigey print. But the reason I couldn't pull the trigger is because the inside of the shoe is made of fabric, and they did had those shoes in at the boutique in Tampa, and I was like, if you wear it, that fabric is just gonna wear off so quickly. And she was like, you're right. That's why the next shoes they came up with have actually a leather inside. So these obviously have all leather. Let me take this off here so you can see it a little bit better. So obviously it says Gucci, made in Italy, and I know not everybody loves the platforms, but this is the only shoe where I hate sandals or any shoes that has a super thin, like flat, you know. I have to have some height. I have to have a platform because my feet are hurting when I walk on those super thin shoes, you know, like, I don't know, the very popular Hermes Orion shoes, I think they're called. I just cannot stand them. I just need at least an inch, you know, of some height, you know. I just don't like flat shoes. So these are like not too high, not too low, has a very good bottom, you know, very like a grippy. It says obviously Gucci in here again, and these are the denim, and I thought, you know what, the denim actually works better than that beige, you know, that I mentioned earlier, because I wear a lot of jeans, I wear a lot of blacks and kind of neutral colors. This will go so well with my wardrobe. Even, you know, like the cropped jeans or even white jeans, you know, and some navy top. I just think it's gonna go so great, and I'm happy that they figure out to do the leather inside, because I don't know, it's just that fabric inside, I feel like it's just horrible. So anyway, I know these shoes were very popular a few months ago and they were very difficult to get. I think she said these were the limited new-ish kind of release with the denim. That's what I think she said. So I assume these are not gonna be staying forever. But anyway, these are very nice, you guys, really nice. And there is, by the way, I have size 39. So most of the, I feel like most of the time I'm in the size 39 in the European shoes, sometimes 39 and a half, I think, in Prada. But anyway, these are, as you can tell, these are leather inside as well, here underneath. So the denim is really only here on the top and obviously here around. But even the, you know, the bottom part here has a lot of you know, kind of a thick sole in here, so it's not gonna hopefully destroy, you know, the denim part. So yeah, what do you guys think? I think they were so cute. Again, I didn't bring the receipt with me. There were six, if I'm not mistaken, there were $620, and obviously plus tax. So I can double check, but I think there were $620 for these, and I just think they're so cute, and hopefully I'm gonna have a lot of use out of them. You know, I live in the South. 9 months out of 12 we have very hot weather, so we need a lot of summer shoes in here. Let me know if you own any of these slides from Gucci and how did they work for you. Please let me know. I would like to know if they're holding up nicely. I did ask a couple of people from the Gucci Facebook group that owns those shoes, and ladies were very happy with those shoes, so hopefully I'm gonna be enjoying them as well. And yeah, I guess this is it for today. I'm talking too much. So anyway, thank you so much for watching, you guys. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye!